4x4 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking truck. This one's a 1972 Chevrolet K10. Era correct 350 V8 power underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome up front on the bumper. Bright work. Headlight surrounds, grille. Nice looking two-tone paint combination also, this kind of gray metallic and red combination. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this truck from the underside, interior, engine bay, bed of it. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We have Goodrich radial tires. You can see some good sized lugs on there, plenty of tread left. Polished wheels, lockouts up front. Looks like Laverne Nerf bars, polished. Take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels, nice and straight. Paint shows well. Some mild chrome fender flares on there. Some cab corners, lower rockers, not too bad. Also left the windows up. I did want to note they are tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. The panel's nice and straight too, and this paint's laid on here nicely. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Spray and liner, it appears, in the bed. Let's take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper and the tailgate, dual exhaust. Does have headers with true dual exhaust all the way from front to rear. Some recent service work done on this truck also. Tex wanted me to note. In the walk around video, it does have a new master cylinder, new rear wheel cylinders and rear pads, new valve cover gaskets. The transfer case was recently rebuilt. 373 gears in the rear end. They did note the front cab supports a little rough, and it does come with new front cab supports too. They're in a bag, and we'll include that with the truck when it gets shipped out. Notice the owner's manual is also in the glove box. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. See the paint shows well on this side also. Lower rockers, cab corners. If you like these Chevy trucks, or maybe you're just into 4x4s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see again, panels nice and straight. Paint has a nice shine to it. We're going to take a little closer look at the interior. Gauges do work according to the technician that looked at it. Heater also works, stereo works, and I did have that going a bit ago. And we'll pop the hood, take a look at the engine bay. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive. There's a good look at the door panels, or door panel. Take a look at the door panel on the other side. Cloth bench seat that has been reupholstered. Looks like newer carpeting in there also. Notice there is a little Ranchero air system to the shocks right here. FYI, this is not a 4-speed transmission. That is for the 4x4 transfer case. So you're aware, Panasonic stereo system. It's fired up. All right, so you see the tack works. Stereo working. And again, automatic transmission, not a 4-speed, 5-speed. That's for the transfer case. Got a little note on there. Dash mounted speakers, as well as some down in the doors. Little custom headliner. Door closes nicely, and let's listen to this. It's a nice sounding 350. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front. I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped, check out the engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay, and there you can see new master cylinder. Edelbrock 4-barrel on there, power steering, power brakes. Pretty smooth running 350. There you go, looking for a 4x4 1972 Chevrolet K10. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevrolet K10. Another lifted truck with some nice meaty tires. Looks really good. The color combo, something different, something very good looking together. We got some wood treatment on the dash. Nice running truck, easy to start, easy to run. Nice sound coming out the exhaust. You can hear that appears to be the air fan making some noise. Blower motor does blow air. Panasonic stereo works. Extra speakers mounted up on top of the dash for good sound. Speedometer works. Tachometer right in the middle working as well. Fuel gauge is showing a little less than half of a tank. Battery is charging above half. Factory temperature gauge is pegged at hot. That is not accurate. Oil pressure is high. The let option comes down to about 3/4. That seems good. Comfortable truck. Cloth bench seat matching the paint job very nicely. Later model steering wheel. Easy to steer with power steering and power brakes. I really like how this truck feels on the road. It doesn't lean much in the corner at all. You can tell it's a 4x4, but it's not harsh at all. And I'm taller than most of the things on the road. Love that as well. Great running truck. Sounds really good when you get on the throttle. Easy to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this 72 K10 at UniqueClassicCars.com.